Hi. The endless pursuits of Ravana can be summed up in his wife Mandodari's statements on his deathbed. She asked, "What special did you find in Sita that you did not find in me?" Please note that these were coming from the most beautiful lady on the planet at that time. Ramayana is full of metaphors. The metaphor in this is that while Mandodari represents the divine blessing of Mother Nature upon us, Sita represents human aspiration and the wealth of someone else, which need not always be superior than the one which we have in hand. And there is no limit to the human aspiration. This has to be kept in mind. Ravana was so committed to his profession of being an expert astrologer. He was so brutally honest in delivering his advice to whoever approached him. For example, he gave away his date of defeat to his foe when approached. Not just that, he had some wonderful people as his aides, which include his own brother Vibhishana, who always dared to go against his brother, giving him piece of advice against him, even if it means to bear the brunt of his brother. Though his advice was not heeded to, or he was paid deaf ear by his brother Ravana, Vibhishana never hesitated to deliver the right advice and always remained his well-wisher. As I've already said, Ramayana is full of metaphors. There is a Ravana and Vibhishana in each one of us and also around us. It remains our call for duty, it remains the need of the hour for us to elevate the likes of Vibhishana and also coronate him as the king, just as Rama did, and also alleviate the greed of the demonic Ravana, keep him under check, have an emotional balance. Otherwise, the emotions rule us, and that can lead to the downfall, just as it did to Ravana. So, based on this, we understand that emotional intelligence is extremely important in our day-to-day life, so that we emerge victorious like Rama and not face defeat like Ravana. All the best.